Have you heard of the 2-cup method? Well, we're going to check it out today. We're going to cover what it is, what you need, how it works, a demonstration, and we'll talk about why it works. That's today on Guide Day Friday. Morning, I'm Trista Polo. I woke up this way and it's awesome. To be who you want to be, you must first accept who you are. Do you believe in the law of attraction? What if you could give your manifestations a leg up? Well, this 2-cup method seems like it might do just that. It's easy to do, the instructions are simple, and it's the perfect DIY manifestation project. You can even do this one with your kids. Today we're going to do a little manifesting with the 2-cup method. Here's what I got when I checked in about this 2-cup method. First of all, it's very ancient. And the reason it's effective is because it's actually bringing the soul's desires into the physical energy of your body, making that intention more physically present in your life. So you'll need 2 glasses, a pen, some Post-it notes, and some water. So just take 2 glasses, and on one of the glasses, write something that you already have in your life, but that you wish were different. It could be about a relationship, debt. What a lot of people use it for is to get a job. So on the second glass, you write what you want to have in your life. So if on the first glass you wrote, I'm unemployed, on the second glass you'll write, I have my dream job. You could use the specific dream job. Only just a couple words are needed, but be specific. We'll use water, and I'm pouring it into the current state glass. They say that water has energy. And if you've ever read anything about the research done by Masaru Emoto, he actually tested water crystals. And he went from speaking to them kindly and lovingly to speaking to them with angry words. And with a special microscope, he found that the water crystals reacted to your emotional state. So now I'm ready to move this water from the current state to the future state. Now you're supposed to drink all the water, and I'm going to say that I might have actually filled it too high. Okay, so now I've consumed all the water from that glass. Some of the videos I watched said that you should do this before you go to bed and sort of let all that energized, molecularly changed water hang out in your system overnight and help the manifestation. I don't really know about that, but all I know is I had to pee in the middle of the night. Oh my gosh, do you think I peed out my manifestation? So I'll report back and let you know how my manifesting went. Post your photos on I Woke Up This Way on Facebook and show me what you've been manifesting. I'd love to see your glasses with the Post-it notes. Selfies are welcome too. If you have any questions on this method, or you're looking for more guidance or specific instructions about how this method works, just put it in the comments below and I will respond. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos on exploring spirituality, law of attraction, and messages from your guides every Friday. Thanks for joining me for a little manifesting. Have a great day.